BiosControl Excel 3334 is a unique and innovative preservative system with an added value. Sodium Cocoamphoacetate will enhance the cleansing property of the finished product. Its antimicrobial activity is related to sodium benzoate and phenylpropanol, widely used and recognized for their efficacy. Using it at acidic pH is better, but the limit is not so strict. We performed the CTFA microbiological challenge test on the ingredient in a finished formula. We obtained excellent preservation properties even at pH higher than 5.5, especially against bacteria and yeasts. This ingredient finds its best use in toiletries applications since it increases the foam formation while keeping a delicate and mild approach to the skin. Excel 3334 not only has an excellent safety and efficacy profile, but it also has a broad-spectrum antimicrobial activity at concentrations far below the maximum authorized. Just remember to keep the temperature at a maximum of 40 degrees Celsius. For any further information, doubts, or questions that you might have about BiosControl Excel 3334, do not hesitate to contact us. BiosControl team is here to give you the best support.